Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this device. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced Settings. After that, you need to click on Languages and Input and then tap on On-Screen Keyboard. Now select Keyboard over here and click on Text Correction. As you can see, all text correction options are over here. If you wish to turn on or off one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!